Good evening, guys. We are setting the pillars, seats. We are setting the pillars, and we are also setting the lintels. The the carpentry work is commencing. The ironing is commencing, and even the casting. You can see them. Even the casting. So that's it. So this is the ironing. This is the ironing. You see it. This is the casting. This is the people that is casting. Yeah, carpentry is going on. Everything is going on. So the work is really going on. Yeah. So just let me just take you guys down. Yeah, yeah. You see it. This is the ironing. This is the ironing, guys. This is it. You see it. This is the concrete for casting. This is the concrete for casting. This is the carpentry stuff going on. So by tomorrow we'll be casting the lintels. Yeah. Yeah.